In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show and manage the hidden favorite drawing toolbar in TradingView so you can keep your workspace clean without losing access to your tools. Start by opening TradingView and loading your chart. Look over to the left side of your screen where your drawing tools are located. This is where tools like trendlines, rectangles, and position tools are usually displayed. If your favorite drawing toolbar is missing or hidden, look for the three dots icon near the toolbar. This is the options menu for managing your drawing tools. Click on the three dots and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. If the toolbar was hidden, you can use this menu to bring it back or adjust what's visible. Another way to manage visibility is by using the eye icon on the chart. This icon controls what elements are shown or hidden on your screen. Click the eye icon and a menu will appear with different options like hide drawings, hide indicators, or hide positions and orders. If your drawings are currently hidden, simply toggle the option again to make them visible. Once enabled, your favorite drawing toolbar and all related tools will reappear on your chart exactly where they were before. This feature is especially useful when you want to temporarily declutter your screen without deleting any of your work. And that's it. You've successfully shown and managed the hidden favorite drawing toolbar in TradingView, helping you stay organized while keeping full control of your tools.